our organization is directed to anyone who is interested in yoga. So while our primary focus, you have to realize that our organization is financially a very, very small organization with almost nothing. Compared to what you have over here, we don't own any property. Our organization does not have any property. Our organization does not have any paid employees. Everything is volunteer. So you can imagine, we have no money, right? And so with this kind of an organization, we have been able to run the continuing medical education program and all of these things is because we are dedicated and focused on that. But then this also tells you why we are focused on the physicians. Because once we work in that area, it builds credibility to expand our effort, because everything needs funds to expand. Funds will come only if there is credibility. And so our focus on doctors is also to build the credibility so that when the funding is there, we will be able to do more expansive work. We, in addition to focus on doctors, we also do teacher training for people to go and conduct regular classes. There is a difference between normal yoga practice for general health and yoga practice specific to specific diseases. So that is the therapeutic side of yoga. So the normal health maintenance aspect of yoga, any teacher can teach. Whereas on the other hand, the therapeutic aspect of yoga, anybody cannot teach. Somebody who should know specifically what to deal with that. So we work on both sides of it. But our main focus is on the medical community, but we are open to anyone and everyone who wants to.